Hey everyone, welcome back to the FHMB channel. In this episode, we're going to be improving Sammy's drop-off skills. Let's crack on.
Hi guys, so as Gav has said, today is for me to do a drop off. Honestly, I feel quite confident about it. I feel I can do it. So all we can do is get on with it. What do you think, Gav?
You've got it in you, buddy. Let's get warmed up.
Let's do it.
And I think you'll soon be rolling off that.
Easily. Crack on, guys.
Sammy's going to take us down his favourite route for a bit of a warm-up. After you, dude.
Have it.
It's a bit muddy. A bit slick. Well, I hit that rock again. I want to ding my wheel on the Bergamont. Nice little run down. Right, I'm going to have a blast down the road gap. Let's crack on. Oh, a bit steady today. Right, Sammy's coming in for his first attempt at this rock drop. Let's see how he does.
Let's try this rock drop, guys.
Right, he's going to drop in for attempt number 2 now. Try and get it a little smoother, a little bit of technique. There's a bit of a bunny up, I think, in that last one. I think he hesitated and trying to look for the landing. That's the thing with drop-offs, you can't see the landing. Just check it out before you hit it. Know it's going to be there and commit. We've got young Jack dropping in here, look. Followed by Big Chris. That's how you do it. Come on, Sammy. Nice and smooth, mate. Let's see what happened. He did the same again. He stood upright, put the brakes on, and just tried to jump off the end. It's not going to work that way. It doesn't work like that, Sammy.
That was so funny. I thought, oh!
Did a little bit of poo come out?
No, I just thought, look, I'm doing over here. This is brilliant. Oh, should we do it again? Oh no, Luke is dead. Then we'll do it again.
Yeah. Let's go get some refreshment and try and hit it.
Brilliant.
Right, dropping into the road gap.
Yeah.
Let's go. I do love that run. Right, so we've had a bit of refreshment. We've just had a warm-up run down Sammy's favourite. And now he's gonna try the rock drop again. Because Sammy rolling with an attitude, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. Come on, Sammy. Come on. Do it. Beautiful bit of sun bursting through the trees. The old narco fluid running sweet. We're going to be going to Dalby Forest on Monday. They'll be doing a video of Dalby. I've not been there for years. Last time I went there I broke my ACL. Here he comes. Come on, Sammy. That was good, apart from the pull. There was a pull, last minute pull. Right. This is Sam hitting the rock drop.
Yes!
Now we've got little Jack dropping in. He's going to show us how you do it. Go on, Jack. Beautiful. Smooth as silk. Here comes Chris. I'm expecting big things from Chris. That was nice. That was fast. Right, Sammy, do exactly the same. Here he comes. Here he comes, here he comes.
That was close.
Yeah. Did it again, didn't he, ladies and gentlemen? Bunny hopped off the end and got a massively harsh landing.
That was awesome though.
Oh yeah.
The best thing was I stayed on my bike.
Don't know that is a good thing that you kept it. I bet your wrists hurt. I seen your wrist buckling then.
Me fucking heart rate, can I check it?
But that's a great demonstration there, people, of what happens when you bunny hop off the end of a drop. Don't bunny hop. Makes your landing really harsh. You need to like level out and then you just ride out of it.
Jack's going first.
Right, we're ready. We're training in down Sammy's favourite. Ready, steady, go. Are you coming lastly, Sammy? See if I can keep up with these beasts. Whoa, they've gone. That was fun! Right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Unfortunately, Sammy didn't conquer the rock drop, but that's one for next time. If you enjoyed the content, smash the like button, maybe even subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.